Samsung is reportedly launching 3 foldables, this time the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide, the standard Z Fold 8, and the Z Flip 8. Sounds exciting, right? More options, more innovation. But that's exactly where the first mistake begins. Because when companies release too many similar devices, it's usually not about innovation, it's about confusion. Now here's what the leaks are quietly revealing. Leaker Sonny Dickson just revealed dummy units of all 3 devices. Not renders, not concepts, actual physical models, and honestly, it's not as impressive as people expected. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 and Flip 8 look almost identical to their previous versions. Same design language, same vibe, same safe approach. And this is where people start regretting their purchase later. Because when you spend flagship money, you expect something that feels new, not something that looks like last year's phone with a different name. But the real twist is the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. At first glance, it seems like the exciting one shorter, wider, possibly a 4:3 aspect ratio. Sounds great for content, right? But here's the hidden truth no one is talking about. A wider foldable means harder one-hand use, more awkward pocket fit, and a bigger compromise in portability, which is literally the whole point of foldables. So while it looks better on paper, in real life, it might feel worse. And then there's something even more interesting. All 3 devices show circular cutouts on the back, possibly for magnetic wireless charging, like Qi 2. Sounds premium, but also raises a big question. Why are we still seeing this at the prototype stage? Because Samsung has done this before showing features in renders that either get hidden or completely changed before launch, meaning what you're getting might not even match what you're seeing right now. And that leads to one of the biggest regrets buyers face: buying into the hype. A new leak from Ice Universe claims that Samsung is shrinking the selfie camera cutout on the cover screen down to just 2.5mm. Sounds amazing, right? That's a 33% reduction compared to the previous model. Smaller hole, more screen, cleaner look. On paper, it's exactly what people have been asking for. But here's where things start to get uncomfortable. In smartphone design, nothing comes for free. If you make something smaller, something else has to give. And that's where Samsung's history starts raising red flags. Just recently, on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, Samsung actually made the camera cutout bigger, reportedly to improve field of view. So now ask yourself, why would Samsung suddenly go in the opposite direction on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8? Either they've invented some breakthrough camera tech, or they're quietly making compromises. And the leak's wording makes it even more suspicious. It hints that the camera hardware might not have changed at all. So if the sensor is the same and the cutout is smaller, then how is that even possible? There are only a few explanations, and none of them are perfect. Samsung could be shrinking the sensor size, tightening the aperture, or reducing the field of view. And if that's true, you're looking at worse selfies, especially in low light. Now think about this. The current Fold already uses a 10-megapixel camera with a relatively small sensor and f/2.2 aperture. It's not exactly known for amazing selfie performance. So if Samsung pushes it even further just to make the display look cleaner, then this isn't an upgrade, it's a trade-off. And this is where people usually regret it. Because when you first unbox the phone, yeah, the display looks incredible. No distractions, no big cutout, it feels futuristic. But a few weeks later, blurry selfies, poor night shots, and cropped framing start to show up. And suddenly, that tiny hole doesn't feel worth it anymore. This is the hidden truth about modern smartphones. Companies don't just improve things, they shift priorities. Design over function, aesthetics over performance. And most people don't notice until it's too late. This is everything we know about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8. Now here's where things get really interesting. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 Wide. Samsung is reportedly working on a completely new form factor that could change how foldables feel in the hand. Instead of the tall and narrow design we've seen for years, this wide version is expected to feature a more balanced aspect ratio, closer to a tablet when unfolded. This means better video playback, improved app scaling, and a much more natural multitasking experience. It's the kind of change users have been asking for, and Samsung might finally deliver it. But the real highlight, the feature that could steal the entire show, is the S Pen. Yes, the S Pen might be making a comeback. After being removed in recent Fold models due to design limitations, Samsung is now reportedly developing a thinner and more advanced S Pen that can work seamlessly with the Galaxy Z Fold 8 or its wide variant. If this turns out to be true, it would be a massive upgrade for power users, bringing back precise note-taking, sketching, and productivity features that made earlier Fold devices stand out. And this time, it could be even better optimized for a larger, wider display. With all these changes, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 isn't just another foldable, it's Samsung's answer to the future. A slimmer design, a wider display, and the possible return of the S Pen could finally make foldables feel complete. And with the expected launch at Samsung's July 2026 Unpacked event, the wait might not be that long. Alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the company is also rumored to introduce the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and possibly a new variant, the Galaxy Z Wide Fold, which could directly challenge Apple's expected foldable iPhone. The Galaxy Z Fold 8 is set to debut in July 2026, following Samsung's usual yearly release pattern for foldable devices. This schedule helps the company maintain its strong position in a market that is quickly becoming more competitive, especially with major brands like Apple entering the segment. By offering a broader lineup including the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and the rumored Galaxy Z Wide Fold, Samsung is clearly aiming to attract a wider range of users. Samsung's pricing approach for the Galaxy Z Fold 8 reflects a balance between premium specifications and user accessibility. The device is expected to come in 3 variants to suit different preferences:
12GB RAM plus 256GB storage, $1,999, 12GB RAM plus 12GB storage, $2,499, 16GB RAM plus 1TB. Storage pricing yet to be confirmed. The starting price remains in line with the previous generation, helping ensure that the device continues to appeal to premium users despite increasing production expenses. According to well-known analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, who shared insights on X, Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold model could incorporate a laser-drilled metal display plate. This technology is designed to better distribute the stress created when the screen is folded, potentially resulting in a crease-free display. The crease has been a common concern since the launch of the first-generation Galaxy Fold. Although its visibility has been reduced over time, it has not been completely eliminated. Reports suggest that this new component will be supplied by the South Korean company Fine M Tech. The same supplier is also expected to provide similar components to Apple for its first foldable iPhone, which is anticipated to debut this year. However, this advanced component is said to be more expensive than the one currently used in the Galaxy Z Fold 7. As a result, production costs may increase. It remains unclear whether Samsung will absorb these additional costs or pass them on to consumers through higher pricing. A recent report suggests that the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 will be officially revealed at a Galaxy Unpacked event in London. According to Kim Dae-yeon from Korea Economic TV, Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event is expected to take place in London, UK, on July 22, 2026. Alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold 8, the company is also rumored to introduce a new model called the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold Wide. This device is expected to feature a wider 4:3 aspect ratio display along with support for the S Pen. Both the Galaxy Z Fold 8 and the Galaxy Z Fold Wide are anticipated to use foldable OLED panels with no visible crease. Samsung Display previously showcased a similar crease-free panel at CES 2026, highlighting the company's progress in display technology. We've recently had the opportunity to check out quite a few finds that attempt to convey the new screen shape of the Fold 8 Wide, even if they don't show anything of the Fold 8 Wide hardware themselves. These screens helped reinforce our expectations for the screen shape users can expect, and now we've got some new screens, as well as a new animation to further back that up. Early firmware builds have revealed some depictions of the Fold 8 Wide.
Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you watched, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. I truly appreciate your support. See you in the next video. Peace out.